It's time for another episode of 5 Favorites. In this series, we pick our 5 favorite drone videos from the past month and talk about them for a bit. There are no real qualifications for selections. These are videos we liked and wanted to share with the community. Ready to jump in? Let's get to it. Starting off December, we have an amazing freestyle run from DiegoFPV. I loved how well the environment was used here. Tons of gap hitting, diving, and technical twists and turns. I especially loved the creative use of the parking structure. The floor-to-floor transitions, dives through the stairwell, and just general use of space were extremely impressive. Outside the parking structure, the tree dives through the palms add some nice technical diving with a neat perspective. The music also fits well with the flying and is definitely a change from the usual EDM freestyle pairing. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing more of DiegoFPV in 2018. Johnny put together an incredible montage of clips from a commercial shoot in Iceland that we had to feature. If you're looking for breathtaking landscape shots, seriously, this is the video for you. You get a mix of scenery ranging from coastal cruising along the waves to sweeping dives down cliffs and waterfalls. The clips of the rolling waves and switching between play speeds, it's pretty enthralling. All of this amazing scenery is captured with some precise flying. We get great proximity flying around all the obstacles and clearly some risky dives and loops. How no quad was lost here is baffling to me. If you're looking to explore Iceland by air, well, start with this video. We don't feature line of sight flying all that often, but I was taken aback by one of Quad Mover's latest line of sight videos. The skill required at these speeds is insane. Forget the orientation for even a split second and you can pretty much guarantee a crash. Not only is he flying quick and close to the ground, but we get a wide array of highly technical loops and twists throughout the video. In addition to the flying skills, Quad Mover does a great job recording the footage. Capturing line of sight flying is super difficult. Not only do you have to keep the quad in view of the camera, you also have to worry about getting the right lighting and backdrop so the audience can actually see how you're flying. Quad Mover makes an incredibly difficult task look easy throughout this video. While line of sight flying is rare to see over FPV videos, I thought it was a refreshing change of pace. The skill in flying and camera work definitely make this one a must-watch. It's always a pleasure when Ladrib puts together edited flight videos, and Flatitude 2 is no exception. The colors here are gorgeous. We get a smooth sunset cruise that is captivating to watch. The passes through the smoke rising from the roof has a whimsical, almost dreamlike feeling. Flying-wise, I love how relaxed this felt. We featured a lot of twitchy, fast-paced flying recently, so it was a pleasure to sit back and watch some smooth flying with this video. That's not to say that the flying is boring or slow, but rather controlled and focused. The colors alone are worth checking this video out. Just looks spectacular. And to wrap up 2017, we have a final flight from DiegoFPV. As always, Diego's flying is impressive. We get some great building dives, proximity flying among statues and birds, and a lot of other great maneuvers. However, the transitions between night and day, as the video is titled, are what makes this video so special. Diego recorded the same spot during, you guessed it, night and day. This allowed him to put together an amazing mashup of footage that syncs perfectly. The transitions to night and day, between the two, are scarily accurate. You can tell some serious thought and effort went into matching the flying close enough during both sessions to make the end result possible. Diego has put together some great videos throughout 2017, and I think his night and day video is a great way to close out the year. Definitely go check it out. And that does it for December. Thanks for sticking around with us for 2017. We got to feature an amazing array of pilots and are looking forward to new videos in 2018. We'll see you guys next time.